Ever wondered how your brain might be singing in harmony with the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the soothing waves? Well, the emerging field of environmental neuroscience is tuning into this very symphony. Research has consistently shown that green and blue environments like forests and oceans are associated with improved mood and a reduction in stress and anxiety. But there's more to the story. New evidence suggests that exposure to nature also enhances cognitive functions including memory, perception, judgment, problem-solving, and imagination. Take the work of Dr. Mark Berman, director of the Environmental Neuroscience Laboratory at the University of Chicago, for instance. He conducted an intriguing experiment. Subjects were given a task known as the backwards digit span task, which required them to repeat back sequences of numbers in reverse order. After the initial test, he divided the group and sent them for a 50-minute walk. Some strolled in an urban setting like a town center, while others enjoyed a walk in a park. Upon returning, they repeated the task, and the results? Performance improved by about 20% when participants had walked in nature, but not when they had walked in an urban environment. In another study, a 4-day hike, devoid of any technological distractions, increased participants' creativity by 50%. This lends credence to the biophilia hypothesis, which suggests that humans function better in natural environments because our brains and bodies evolved in and with nature. Dr. David Strayer, a cognitive neuroscientist at the University of Utah, believes that biophilia makes a lot of sense. As he puts it, as hunter-gatherers, those who were most attuned to the natural environment were the most likely to survive. But then, we built all this infrastructure. We are trying to use the hunter-gatherer brain to live in the highly stressful and demanding modern world. Exposure to nature activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the branch of the nervous system associated with a resting state. This induces feelings of calmness that enable us to think more clearly and positively. So the next time you find yourself stuck on a problem or feeling overwhelmed, remember that the solution might just be a walk in the park. Because, as it turns out, our brains and nature are inextricably linked, and we can harness the power of the great outdoors for our cognitive well-being.